ever dreamt of a place where medieval charm meets modern vibes, where you can walk through centuries of history, yet sip coffee at a trendy cafe by the river? Welcome to Poland, Europe's underrated gem. From ancient castles and cobblestone streets to snow-capped peaks and golden beaches, Poland is more than just a dot on the map. It's an experience. So, if you're planning your next escape, buckle up, because in this video, I'm taking you through everything you need to know about traveling to Poland. Visas, best times, how to get there, and of course, the must-visit places you'll want on your bucket list. First things first, how do you get to Poland from India or anywhere outside Europe? The easiest way, flights. You'll find convenient routes landing in Warsaw, Krakow or Gdansk. While direct flights are limited, connecting via major hubs like Frankfurt or Doha is common. And if you're flexible, try booking in September. It's often cheaper and the weather is just perfect. Visa and entry. To visit Poland, you'll need a Schengen tourist visa, valid for up to 90 days. Just gather your essentials: a valid passport, visa application, travel insurance, proof of stay, and flight details. Apply at least 4 weeks in advance to be safe. The process is straightforward if you're prepared. The best time to visit Poland. Poland's beauty changes with the seasons. But if you ask me, late September to mid-October is pure magic. Fewer crowds, crisp air, and golden leaves crunching under your feet as you explore old towns. Spring is lovely too. April and May are peaceful, fresh, and still budget-friendly. Now, let's dive into what you really came for. The best places to explore. Krakow, the former royal capital. Think Gothic cathedrals, bustling squares, and underground salt mines that look like fantasy movie sets. Warsaw, a phoenix of a city. Rebuilt after World War II, it's now a mix of skyscrapers and Baroque palaces, street art, and Chopin concerts. Wrocław, known as the Venice of Poland. It's a city of islands, bridges, and little bronze dwarfs that you'll love spotting on every corner. Gdansk, a colourful port city with a unique Baltic vibe. Grab fresh seafood, stroll the Riverwalk, and learn how this city sparked world-changing revolutions. Zakopane and Tatra Mountains. Love mountains? Poland's got you. Ski in winter or hike the trails in summer. And don't miss the rustic wooden architecture. Auschwitz-Birkenau Memorial, a somber but important experience. This World War II site near Krakow serves as a deeply moving reminder of history. Malbork Castle, the largest castle in the world by land area, built by the Teutonic Knights. It's like stepping into a medieval strategy game. Białowieża Forest, one of Europe's last primeval forests. If you're lucky, you might spot a bison. Yes, they still exist. Torun, the birthplace of Copernicus, full of Gothic charm and the best gingerbread you'll ever eat. Lublin, a hidden gem for those who love history and fewer crowds. Its charming old town will transport you back in time. What to eat when in Poland? Don't leave Poland without eating like a local. Try pierogi, delicious stuffed dumplings, or zapiekanka, the ultimate Polish street food. Visit a milk bar for hearty meals that won't break the bank. And yes, Polish desserts, next level. Budget tips and essentials. Poland is surprisingly affordable compared to Western Europe. Public transport is clean and efficient. Local SIM cards are cheap, and most locals, especially younger ones, speak good English. Just remember, the currency is Polish zloty, PLN, not euros. Whether you're chasing history, nature, or a cozy cultural escape, Poland has it all. It's a place that surprises you and stays with you long after you leave. So, Are you ready to add Poland to your travel list? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more incredible travel guides.